Hey guys, this is Robert, and here's a package. Let's open it up and see what's inside. I can't open it. Easy to use, multi-functions. Comes over 1 year return or refund service and 3-year replacements. All costs covered by them. That's nice. And then there's our supports. Just like any can opener. It's scuffed already. It's a bottle opener here. Not sure what else is there. There's no instructions. It's a normal can opener. Alright. So if you're interested, oh, wait. Yeah, that's it. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.